Welcome back, MK Car Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into the BMW X7, the flagship luxury SUV that has become one of the most dominant full-size options in the USA. This is BMW's biggest, boldest, and most luxurious SUV. And in this detailed review, we're going to break down everything from performance, comfort, features, real-world driving experience, and of course pricing across the US market. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that blends performance with true luxury, the BMW X7 might be exactly the machine you've been waiting for. Let's start with the first impression. The BMW X7 makes its presence known immediately. It's big, tall, and unmistakably premium, with a bold kidney grille and sleek LED or optional laser headlights that give it a futuristic front profile. From the side, the long body lines, large wheel designs, and chrome accents emphasize luxury, while the rear end gives you a sporty finish with slim taillights and dual exhaust outlets. BMW has done an excellent job balancing elegance and aggression, which is something that sets the X7 apart from rivals like the Cadillac Escalade, Mercedes GLS, and Lincoln Navigator. When it comes to performance, the BMW X7 offers multiple engine options depending on the trim. The xDrive 40i typically comes with a refined and responsive 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. Don't let the base label fool you. This engine delivers smooth acceleration and enough power for confident highway passing. Then there's the M60i trim, powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, and this is where the X7 transforms from a luxury cruiser to a true performance SUV. BMW's V8 gives the X7 a strong surge of torque, making it surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size. The acceleration feels effortless, and the engine note adds a sporty character without being too loud or intrusive. Paired with BMW's 8-speed automatic transmission, gear changes are smooth and responsive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the X7 feels well-balanced and composed. The xDrive all-wheel drive system gives excellent traction, and the available air suspension allows the X7 to adapt to different driving conditions, lowering itself at high speeds for better aerodynamics or raising for rougher terrain. Even though the X7 is massive, its steering is surprisingly precise, making it feel smaller and easier to handle. The ride comfort is one of the X7's strongest points. BMW designed this SUV to feel like a luxury lounge on wheels, and it shows. The air suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, and the cabin is extremely quiet thanks to excellent insulation and high-quality materials. On longer road trips, the seats provide great support, and the visibility is wide and clear. Families will appreciate the smooth ride, especially in the second and third rows, where many SUVs tend to compromise comfort. Speaking of the interior, this is where the BMW X7 truly shines. From the moment you open the door, you're greeted with premium leather, real wood or metal trim, and a modern design that looks elegant yet functional. The massive curved display dominates the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment screen in one sweeping panel. It's responsive, bright, and loaded with BMW's latest software, which includes navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, gesture controls, and a